Yo, what's good? Mr. Penniston. The building is cold than a mother, as always, and his brother, rapping on the mic. Anyway, so your boy been putting in some work. Woo! Trying to get some of this. Look at this work I'm doing. Had to take the bumper off. Trying to fix these headlights. Yeah, but I figured out what's going on though. Alright, look at this mess. Took the bumper off. Putting in work. Trial and error. Tools everywhere. Bolts, caps. Your boy working, putting in work. Alright, so check this out. This is what's wrong with the headlights. I finally figured it out. Did some trial and error. Got the new headlights here. Right there, that's stock. Extra box right there. Anyway, put this new one on this side, the driver's side, and it worked. Grab my right side 8 Spec-D Projector headlights. Put them on this joint. They worked. Took the driver's side, put it over here, connected, no power, didn't work. Grabbed the new headlight, put it on the passenger side, didn't work. So, because I'm getting power from my Spec-D projector lights there, and that one, basically, it is a TIPM issue. Total Integrated Power Modulator. That is definitely faulty. The balances are good, HID bulbs are good, everything worked. So I'm gonna have to take this bad boy to a dealership to get it fixed so they can change the circuitry out. But yeah, finally got some trial and error done. It's getting cold and running out of daylight, so I gotta hurry up and put this stuff back. But yeah, there's no power coming to my passenger side headlight, so of course these bulbs still work, you know, the blinker lights, turn signals, yeah, all those work.
Part 2 of the video, as you guys saw, having issues with the headlights, Spec-D projector headlights. So I'm not gonna go to the dealership. I refuse. I will not go to the dealership. Never. But anyway, shout out to Big John Mopar. Yo, he hit me up. He told me that to fix my headlights, what I need to do is get a relay harness for HID lights, right? So basically, how the relay harness works is it's gonna power both headlights with one harness, and you'll be able to connect it directly to the battery. So this will bypass me having to use the stock electrical wiring, which is faulty for some reason, even though I swapped them out, but there's still issues with it connected to the power modular. That way I can connect both headlights directly to the battery, because they both get power, my headlights, when I did my testing from the video, and that should fix my problem. I already got the capacitors on there, so I'm not gonna have any flickering, whatever you want to call it. That's not gonna be going down. So that's what I'm about to do. I got that ordered from Amazon and should be here on Tuesday, tomorrow. And so yeah, I'm gonna hook those bad boys up. Hopefully the headlights will work. And shout out to Big John Mopar again for giving me some tips and advice. I love you, bro. I love you, bro. All right, yo, Mr. Pennistar out. Peace.